Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kejela Meghalaya kalayait state Shakman. Banong ke jaka pedeng jong ke jingkai yo Drok. Amshu tangkalenti yait lingba. Haka babon ba ki kena samla kilangop. Hadu bamenta ke jinglong jingman hapo Meghalaya kalalong ke bas neuba. Haba persang bantuat jingmut no Director General of Police ke Meghalaya Dr. L.R. Bishnoi. Ulayat ho batang hagini ki shisnem ki pulit ki la register palat shis pa alai potli ki case kabak ham he haba yanujor bat ki wei pat ki snem ki baralai. Ulaong baka jinglong jingman menta kalong ka basneo ha Meghalaya. Namar menta ka Meghalaya kam longshu tang kalenti ban penya yu Droks sheki wei pat ki jela jong kari Henry kala long penban ka jaka pedeng jong ka jingkai Drok. Wala kinong kai kila penrong suk yu Drok syapo ke jela Henry kam longpat ke basuk ya ki ban penyat Shakman na ke jingpet ngor jong ka tenat pulit kabalaya khun bat persang ban rat dingkong yu Drok bat ki wei ki jingdi penbu ai hapo ke jela tang hagini ki shisnem ki pulit kila yo ban Kurup hadu khat 100 kilo Drok heroin la yo ban Kurup ru hadu 100 spa atali ki mobile phone ar spa atali ki kali khat ar 1000 kilo ukinja bat hadu saus pa tam Ngut ke bala Shah kem. UDGP ula pentip bro bahadin bala yok ban Kurup la thangno yu Drok haki jaka ki bala dap itho lepa bala le de ki Drok disposal committee.
In last 1 year, we have registered more than 130 cases, which is much more than the figures of the earlier year. If you compare earlier years. In last 1 year, we have arrested more than 400 drug traffickers, including, of course, local peddlers also. So these seizures, consistent seizure by the police, corroborates that the situation is very grave in the state of Meghalaya, and Meghalaya is fast emerging as a destination for the drugs. Earlier, it was transit point only. Now, along with the transit, Meghalaya is also a destination. And the large number of youths are falling prey to drugs, and this can ruin the society, and this can cause havoc as far as the social health issues are concerned. So the Meghalaya police has launched a massive enforcement drive against the drug traffickers, and we are almost seizing the drugs daily on day-to-day basis. We have constituted anti-narcotic task force ANTF in each and every district. But particularly 4 districts are very sensitive in Meghalaya, that is East Jaintia Hill, West Jaintia Hill, East Khasi Hill and Riphoi districts, because they are located on the national highway, which is the main transit routes, the drugs coming from Myanmar entering into Manipur and also Mizoram, and from Mizoram to Badakveli and Badakveli through national highway entering into Meghalaya and going to Guwahati, Siliguri and other parts of India. So these 4 districts are highly sensitive, and most of the seizures are done in the core districts, but in other districts are equally sensitive, because in Garo Hills regions we have nabbed many drug traffickers in recent times, and the many interstate drug traffickers were arrested, particularly from Assam, Manipur, Tripura, also Mizoram and Arunachal and other parts of India. So this is cause of the concerns, and now we have started emphasizing on the awareness. We have launched a massive awareness drives during a fortnight in June, from 12th June to 26th June, when the government of India has declared it a Nasha Mukt Pakhwada and requested all the states to organize massive awareness drive against the drug abuse. So we have organized nearly 1,263 program, and it was a national record in a period of 15 days time. No other states have organized so many drug awareness programs. I want to appeal the youth, kindly remain away from the drugs and join the war waged by the Meghalaya police to curb this menace, and otherwise it will ruin the whole society and it will create many health related problems in the coming days. So let us say no to drugs and remain always away from drugs. Many of them are still behind the bars, and they are still in the judicial custody. Many of them, particularly in the seizure of the small quantity cases, they bailed out. and many of them they are trying to rejoin the illegal trafficking. So we are keeping tab on it, and by keeping the provision of PIT NDPS Act, the government of Meghalaya has recently constituted advisory board. So far we have submitted 8 number of PIT NDPS proposal for repeated offenders, and more such proposals will be submitted in due course of time. In last 1 year, I think we have seized nearly 13 kg heroin, 14 kg heroins. We have arrested more than 400 traffickers. We have seized nearly 400 mobile phones. We have seized more than 200 vehicles also. And we have seized nearly 12,000 kg ganja, cannabis, 14 kg heroin, and a few lakhs of the tablets of the Psychotropic Substances Act. So the seizure will, our drive will continue until this problem is fully controlled. There is a laid down rule for the disposal of drug. In every district there is a drug disposal committee. Once the drugs are seized, within 30 days we are supposed to send the drugs to the forensic science laboratory, and once the test report, expert opinion comes from the forensic science laboratory and the accused are arrested, after that case is charge sheeted, and once the case is charge sheeted, then we submit a prayer to the court for the disposal of drugs. Court gives order, so within 30 days we have to dispose the drug. In many cases, because the FSL reports have not yet been received by the investigating officer, so we are waiting for that. Once the case are charge sheeted, then we will prepare a list of the drugs to be disposed, and then after taking the court order, it will be disposed by the drug disposal committee at predetermined places.
Where are they disposing this thing?
Disposal is generally done in the factory where the high temperature furnace are there, so drugs can be reduced to acids there, so that there is no chances of pilferage, etc. So those places are earmarked, and last year we disposed at that, I think at East Jaintia Hill, Kalerihat in the cement factories. To submit detailed comprehensive proposal to government for establishing the cyber forensic laboratory, where once the mobile phones are seized, then extractions of the hard disk, etc. can be done in laboratory itself. We need not to send those to FSL. Then we have already started Narco app. The Narco app is available in the Google Play Store. Anybody can download it free of cost. And then on the Narco app, there are certain columns where if any information related with drugs in your locality is there, without disclosing your identity, you can inform it to the police, and they can take follow-up action. And other than that, we are also preparing a comprehensive proposal to procure 16 number of drones for Shillong city to keep a tab not only on traffic but also on the areas where the drug trafficker purchase and sell drugs.